Quantify Ninja Honest Review. Watch before using. Quantify Ninja is a comprehensive tool designed specifically for Amazon sellers who want to streamline, automate, and elevate their e-commerce operations. Today, I'm giving you an honest review to help you decide if this is the right tool for your Amazon business. Let's dive straight into what Quantify Ninja offers, starting with its standout features. One of the tool's primary strengths is its message automation feature, which allows you to send personalized, automated messages to customers, whether it's for reviews, feedback, or follow-ups, and it even supports multiple languages. Another strong feature is its keyword ranking tracker, which lets you monitor how your product ranks for specific search terms over time, helping you gauge and improve your visibility. Then, there's the Listing Optimization Suite, where you can analyze product pages and identify potential improvements in titles, descriptions, or images to maximize conversions. Quantify Ninja also offers profit tracking, giving you a clear breakdown of your costs, including Amazon fees, PPC expenses, and even refunds, so you get an accurate picture of your actual profit margins. If you're managing multiple products, you'll appreciate the Analytics dashboard, which gives you a bird's-eye view of sales performance, returns, and inventory. Plus, the Refund Finder feature helps recover lost revenue by identifying instances where Amazon may owe you a refund for damaged or lost items. Quantify Ninja is clearly built for sellers who want to run a tight ship and optimize their Amazon presence efficiently. In terms of usability, the dashboard is intuitive but dense. You'll need a bit of time to get used to the full range of features. It's worth noting that Quantify Ninja might feel overpowered for smaller sellers or those just starting out, as it's optimized for users who already have a well-established operation and are ready to invest in serious optimization. Overall, while Quantify Ninja is a powerhouse for boosting customer engagement, managing profits, and tracking essential metrics, it's best suited for experienced Amazon sellers who want a hands-on approach to scaling their business. If you're new to Amazon selling, consider starting with a simpler tool and coming back when you're ready for more detailed insights.